Now that we've played our first song, let's look at a second song that's a little more challenging. So the first thing you might notice is how the chord names, some of them are multi-letter chord names. So the first one is B with a little lower caps M next to it, and that's called B minor. And the second one is a F with this strange symbol on the right, which is sharp. It's called the F sharp. So let's look at how to play these. So the first thing is to observe is when I press a key, let's say I press a B. While I do hear a B, I also can see on the screen that the exact name of the chord that I'm playing now. And this is going to be very useful next, because we're going to play a B minor, and the B minor requires me to press two buttons at the same time. The first one is the M, so I need to press down and hold the M, and then I press the B. And here goes my B minor. So the interesting thing is that once I've started pressing, I can release the minor key and it just keeps playing the B minor, and I can see it on the screen and I can hear it. One of the important things of learning music through the pocket organ is that you're going to have an opportunity to train your ear and hear the difference between a B major and a B minor, and slowly get a feel for the chord shapes. So something to be careful about is that if I press the two together, maybe my finger hits the B just a little bit before the M, and then the major minor mode is locked in, because it's very uncommon in music to have a minor followed by a major of the same chord or the other way around. But there is something else that you might see sometimes, is the seventh chord. So the seventh chord is written like this. For example, E7. And if I want to play an E7, I need to press E and 7 together. And notice how it sounds different from the normal E. So the difference with the sevenths is that when I press an E and I press the 7, I will add the seventh note on top of it, and if I release it, it goes away. Right, so this is because it's quite common in music to have the sevenths and then the normal major chord and then the sevenths again. So you can have other chord shapes like the E minor sevenths, and that means that you will see the E lower cap M and 7 written on top of your on the top line of your chords. So the next strange chord shape we are going to see is an F sharp. So sharp means it's a little between, it's higher than an F, but it's not all the way to a G. So here's a G, F, sorry, here's a G, and if I press the two keys together, I get an F sharp. So that's called a half tone above. Now that we have our chord shapes under control, let's try and sing the song. Oh, yeah, that sounds good. On a dark desert highway, cool evening, my hair, small smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to stop for the night. And here we go.